just bruised out my leg! Here, Sean, take your passport. We're going to the Bahamas! Yeah! Hey! Sean! Whoa, that looks good.
I ate all my hash browns already, and I got egg and cheese sandwich on a biscuit.
Chase, where are we going?
To Bahamas.
Bahamas?
To Bahamas!
Sean, we're in the Bahamas.
So guys, we're gonna go to Bahamas. Bahamas. To Bahamas. Bahamas. Whoa, I'm sweaty. Look, it's right there and over here. You see? It's over there. Do it all up. I'm gonna lay down. Hi guys. That's Sean. He's good. He's a good boy. Cheese.
We're here. Michael dropped his chicken, and now Kat is gonna eat it. Ew, Chase! Go check out our room.
Both of these rooms are ours?
Yes. Wow, look at that view! Look at the water slide! Lazy river! Look at the ocean, it's completely see-through. Hey, let us in!
Open!
About time, monkey. So we didn't know what was up with this. We have two rooms they're supposed to connect, but they don't connect.
And then I found the doorbell.
There's a doorbell, but look. That's what these were open. You can actually keep this closed, and then those two doors
Can stay open.
Look at that.
Daddy, look.
That's awesome. We can lock this.
Daddy,
Yo, wait, people can peek in here. That's kind of weird. What's that?
it's a light.
Where were you on the night of August 5th at 4 p.m.? Dragging Sean over a wall. Come on. Oh goodness, this poor baby. Whoa, super mommy. He can't see. Look, he's like, I need sunglasses. This looks like the Tower of Terror over here. That's all for water slides. That's. Is it warm? If today was backwards day, yes.
Is it warm?
Today's backwards day, yes.
Poopy water!
It's not poopy water. Watch out, it's coming. Chase swam. Oh no, Sean's getting wet. Wake up, you lazy bum. Go, mommy, run, it's coming for you. I guess they really like French fries. Go ahead, you can have them. Chase doesn't want them. Put that fry on my head. Okay, here.
I got it. Okay, more fries. Yeah.
You want the last fry? No?
What are you making? A pool. A pool?
Sorry about that, Elmer.
Oh, well, I almost fell. Ew, it looks like diarrhea water.
Cool. Got a little boo-boo. Hurts a little bit.
Sean, you're drinking your baba? So cute.
We're setting a seagull trap.
Oh my gosh!
You guys waiting for food? All right, come and eat. We're ready. Ew! It just pooped on my leg! It just pooped on my leg! It's warm and hot! Look at it! It just pooped on my leg!
Getting up!
No! It just pooped on my leg and it's warm and hot! Oh, thank goodness! Ew, it's still, it won't get off! That was so gross. It felt like hot baby vomit. Dude, were you scared?
Well, at first, but not anymore after.
Yeah. I got pooped on. Mike got ate off of. Oh no, Sean, dude, you got poop on your head. That's gross.
Hi guys.
Mommy's on tippy toes. You should have brought your mermaid tail. Did you get older? You look older. Say hi, I'm 5.
Hi, but hey, I'm fine.
We're gonna go ride the rapid. Or the lazy, it's a rapid river. This is gonna be fairy.
Fun and scary.
Fun and scary. Oh no, there's a fake ghost in the tubes.
Baby Sean, where are you?
So Mom and Lex and Chase and Sean are upstairs, and I'm bringing Mike to a hot date. Not like with me. That's weird. You gotta say that again. I'm dropping off Mike because he's got a hot date.
Stop.
He's gonna go try to find some girls.
Stop.
He's gonna go say, what's up, ladies?
You really think that somebody's gonna like me when I have Uncle Grandpa teeth?
Because you have Uncle Grandpa teeth? How many of you girls still like him even though he's got Uncle Grandpa teeth? Ooh. You're still pretty fly, bro. Them teeth, they're gonna fill in.
If I was a Skyliner, this would be my pose.
Oh, nice. Alright, we gotta go catch the shuttle. Tell me about your date.
Stop.
She's about 37 years old. She's got 4 kids.
No.
My kid, one of them. I'm just kidding. She's only 32. Choo choo, all aboard. Choo choo, taking in. That's an ugly face.
You're an ugly face.
Thank you. Oh, you brought a lollipop for your 32-year-old girlfriend?
No.
Tell them why Chase and Lex aren't coming with you to this kids' party.
Because they're scared.
Because they're scared. They're scared to be without us. All right, here we go. Let's do this. Come on, bro. You're gonna be late to your own date. This is the other hotel called the Royal.
Royal Tower.
The Royal Towers. Oh, by the way, shout out to Luke
And Ian.
and Ian. Whoa.
Holy fart nuggets and fart hogs.
Wow, look at this place. Wow, this place is swizzle cakes of awesomeness. Oh, hello. You scared me. I thought you were a giant peacock.
Oh.
Sorry. Atlantis Kids Adventure. Hi, dude. He's growing up so fast.
I'm hungry. Daddy, can you give me some chips?
Yeah, okay.
Oh, boogers.
You know what? Chips are bad for you anyways. We're gonna pick up Michael. We go pick up Michael from his date. What's up, dude?
It was so fun.
You had fun, man? What'd you get? You made that?
Yeah.
Is that how you say hi to Michael?
Hi.
Taste test.
Tastes like chocolate.
Chocolate milk. Can I try a bite? So you actually made it?
Just with sprinkles.
Come. Coming to get pizza and there's like gumball and chowder here, right? Yeah. Adventure time? Uncle Grandpa! How's that pizza?
Good.
This is the official Bahamian drink called Switcha. Try this, tell me what it tastes like. What does it taste like?
Sort of like Sprite and a green Sour Patch Kid mix.
Yeah, it does. I was gonna say it tastes like a green slushie.
Oh yeah.
Get up. Phone smack. Get up. Get up. Time.
You see any sharks? Oh, there's a shark. Oh no, there's some feet. You're running over Chase.